Suscríbete a Loca Racing.
Voted, you know, out of California. Yeah. Say, what you talking about? Nigga, I let him win that motherfucker. Ask him how much he win, man. Ask him how much he win. How much you win, man? Hey. Hell no, man. Hey, Tyrone, let me tell you something, man. Hey, man, Tyrone. Hey, listen, man. I was trying to make a pass. Heard this big block motherfucker come over there. I'm like, come on, nigga, fuck it. Hey, the light come out, kill him out the gate. I bumped that. That was charge. Ask Quinn. Ask Quinn. Ask Quinn. Ask Quinn about that. Hey, nigga, me motor the juice. Man, I don't like this shit, man. He was trying to whoop them with a 4-cylinder. He whooped Quinn with a 4-cylinder. Hey, look, he started 5 cars behind me. I couldn't leave until he could have went around me. I caught that nigga before the first pole. He said, fuck oh, that big fight. Oh, that big getting up out of here. Damn, you see them pipes? Hey, D. Pipe. You see them pipes? Lit up like a motherfucker. Hey, you been with him tomorrow? Huh? You been with him tomorrow? Who he running? I don't know. Y'all coming back tomorrow? Yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow and Thursday. Hey, man, I ain't coming back tomorrow.